This is for exercise 4.14. We're going to look at the project map again here. On our project map, the questions are, where is the stationing located and what is the length of the project? We look at our project map and we can find the stationing right along the center line of East Street. We see the marks every 100 feet and we see the labels 0 plus 0, 0, 1 plus 0, 0, all the way up to 7 plus 0, 0. So the stationing is along the center line of East Street, and the project length starts at 0 plus 0, 0, it ends at 7 plus 0, 0, so the project length is 700 feet. For exercise 4.15, we're going to look at the project map again. On this question, we're asked to get the station and offset for 3 features on the map. The first thing we need to do is look at and find where those features are. And the first thing we want to do is look for a legend. And on our map here, we have a legend in the upper right corner here. So our questions are, where is the station and offset for the power pole near Elm and East Street? So we need to find Elm, which is here on the left-hand side of the project plan. And here's East Street on the south. And we look for a power pole, and there it is right here at the corner. So to determine the station and offset, the station is always measured perpendicular down from the feature. So I'm just going to draw a line on here, dropping from the power pole down to the center line, dropping from the power pole down to the center line, and then I'm going to measure along the center line with my scale, and this is at 1 inch equals 100 feet, which shows, it's labeled on the project plan. So I will lay my 10 scale at the 0 mark here, and I'll measure down to where my perpendicular dropped from the power pole, and I get right at about 4 or 40. So the station is 40 more than 0 plus 0, 0. So the station of this power pole is 0 plus 40. For the offset then, I measure from the center line over to the power pole using my 10 scale, and I get 10, 20, 30, 40, looks like a little bit more than 40, maybe about 41 or 42. And then the offsets are always either left or right of the center line as you look down the project. So our project's going from left to right. So if we look this direction, that offset would be on the left. So the answer for number 1, the station and offset of this power pole, is 0 plus 40 and 41 left. Next we have the fire hydrant. So we need to find the fire hydrant on this plan. And we remember on our legend, we also have a note in the lower left, a little bit of a legend, fire hydrant. So I look on the plan and try and find it, and it looks like it's right here. So again, we're going to drop a perpendicular down to the project center line from the fire hydrant, and then we're going to scale, again using our 10 scale, forward from the nearest station, which is 3 plus 0, 0. So I will put my scale here, and I will come over, and it looks like it's maybe just a little bit more than 50, maybe 51. So station 3 plus 51, and then our offset, again I'll measure from the center line over to the fire hydrant, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, looks like about halfway between the 6 and 7. So it will be about 65. So the answer for the station and offset for the fire hydrant is 3 plus 50 and an offset of 65 left. For the gas station, we're probably asking about this nearest corner of the gas station, which is right here. You see the gas station labeled here. So we're going to again drop a perpendicular down to the project center line from the corner of the gas station. Then we're going to measure forward from our last station, which is 5, using our 10 scale again. And we've got 10, there's 50, 60, 70, 80, maybe right around 90, maybe a little bit less, maybe 588, something like that. 5 plus 88. And then we measure our offset again using our 10 scale from the project center line over to the corner of the building. And we get about, there's 50, 60, 70, looks like about maybe 85. So the answer on the corner of the gas station would be a station of 5 plus 88 and an offset of 85 left.